point in Toowoomba. I think this area is called Rangeland. Earlier today we went for a walk up Tabletop Mountain, and there it is. Tabletop Mountain Drive leads to the base of the mountain. We used a GPS tracker to record our path. At first there is a steep path with big boulders that leads to the lookout point at the top of the Camel's Hump. After the lookout point comes a bit of a dip, and then the actual climb up the mountain starts. First part is quite easy, and then there's a section of loose small rocks, and in the end there is a steep scramble to get to the top. Our chosen path may not have been the best one. While standing at the bottom of that steep section, it is not easy to see which way is the best way to go, and we chose the more steep ascent. But next time we will probably try this a little bit more curved line, which we took when we were coming down, shown in the blue line in this picture. The Tabletop Mountain Road has been closed for traffic because it has become unstable. There was a landslide caused by the recent rains. So we have to walk to the base of the mountain to actually commence the climbing. Earlier on this year we had huge rains here in Queensland, and the rains caused this landslide here. That's why it is now closed for traffic. Don't know how long it's going to take for the council to fix this one. They say it's not a very long walk, but it's a bit steep in places, so we'll see how it goes. We've now reached the first peak. The view is magnificent even from here. So it's worth it even coming here just for this, even if you don't do the whole thing. Look at that. I'm gonna be stomping my feet in case there are snakes around. They can get out of the way. Easy peasy.
After the Camel Hump, which is very rocky, we get much easier walking. We've just finished off the Camel Hump, and now we're going to try and get to the top of it. And we do know that there's a bit of scrambling right at the end of loose rocks, and we'll enjoy that. Start going to your left, and then you...
Are you sure? Because this here seems much easier to climb. Okay, this is the last scramble up Tabletop Mountain. Go!
Freeway. Down here. Yeah.
Here we are now. We reached the top of the tabletop mountain. Seems to be a lot of grass here. There is a track that goes around this whole top, and we are going to do it now. There is the picnic point with the flag flying on top, and we can see the freeway that we often take coming to Toowoomba. What is this? What do you reckon it is? Looks like the remains of a flagpole.
You're doing good.
I tell you what, this is harder than going up. But as long as you concentrate and look at every step, it's doable. Just don't look down. Yay!
What happened?
This is in my pocket. Luckily I fell on the other cheek. I think I'm gonna protect this phone so that if I have to sit down urgently, I can. One step at a time. Hard work to walk back to the car uphill after you've done the climb. When you've been to a place, you sort of get a different appreciation. It actually looks deceptively small from here. I mean, it was quite a big climb and difficult too in a lot of places. I feel like I own it now. I've been there. It's mine.